Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I'll be creating a makeup look for you. So I know it's been a minute since I last filmed, so this is kind of like new to me again, but we gonna get through this. I hope y'all's been liking the vlogs I've been doing. I've been trying my best to try to keep up with everything with posting consistently, but yeah. Life been lifing, and I gotta get with it. So there is like two products that I want to use today. I don't think I've used them before. I'm trying to remember. I can't remember. It's these two Annabelle products. One is in like turquoise color, and the other one is like a gold color. Like, yeah. Here you go. So I want to be using these two today. Hopefully I can incorporate them both in the look that I be doing. Let me swatch them for you. It kind of has like a shimmer to it. So there they are up close. I hope the camera is doing it justice. So yeah, I'm gonna use these two colors today. I don't know what the kind of look I'll be going for, but I know I want to use these two today. So yeah, brows are already done, so I'm gonna clean them up, and I'm gonna come on back when it's time to do eyeshadow. All right, so stay tuned.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a catch tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can.
So we got a base for our eyelids, and we're taking the P. Louise base in Rumor number 2, and I'm just basing my eyelids with this and spreading it all out evenly. So going in with my self-made palette from Shop Miss A, and I'm taking that warm brown shade and I'm putting it in my crease and transition area. All right, I wanted my brow bone to be matte. So I wanted that little slip, so I put some translucent powder and I continued because I never wanted to be like prominent. All right, so now I'm taking those two colors right there, that purple and that reddish color, and I'm putting that right in the crease because I wanted some depth. All right, so when we're doing stuff like this, we got to go back and forth. All right, so I'm going back and forth with all those colors that we just placed down in the beginning. All right, so now taking this other shade, and I wanted some more graduation from the light to the dark, so I'm using that lighter brown and I'm putting it right on top. And as I said, it's a lot of back and forth in the blending. Make sure you have the proper tools for this look. So time to cut my crease. I am just using a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going like right above my fold, and nothing too dramatic. All right, and I'm using the same P. Louise base to cut my crease. And remember to drag the product down and blend out all the excess. All right, so now I'm taking the turquoise shade and I am placing that right in the middle of my cut crease because I wanted a blend to the other end. Now I'm using the lighter one, which is a gold, and I'm putting it in my inner corner. So don't forget to overlap to get a seamless blend. All right, so I'm just taking whatever that's left on the brush and I'm putting it right on the end so that I have that nice graduation going on. And you gotta build up where you see fit. So I'm just using a liquid liner, and no, I'm not doing a wing today. Can you imagine? Your girl ain't doing a wing today. I'm taking a dark brown shadow, and I am just blending the outer part of the liner with that. Now I'm taking some glitter. Yeah, I needed some glitter. Let's look. Taking that blue glitter right there, and I'm just placing it on my lid. You can place it only on the turquoise section, but I put it everywhere. It was more on the turquoise section than on the gold. All right, taking a gel liner. Any gel liner that you have will do, or you can use a pencil. I opt for gel because my eyes are watery. So yeah, going back in with that turquoise shade, and I am smudging out my lash line. Okay, because you know, why not? Wanted that nice greenish look, right? So that's it. So your girl is going for a nude lip, because why not? We have all that thing going on the. Hello. Why don't I got this thing focused? Thank you. So as you can see, I used a brown pencil as my liner, went in the middle with some concealer, and now I'm topping it off with some regular clear gloss. All right, going back in, making sure everything is well blended. And this is the finished look, guys. Yes, I'm rocking my natural hair. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna try keep the makeup video coming again. Just give me some time and stuff like that. Yeah, I really like the Annabelle products. It was nice and creamy. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. And until next time, bye beauties.